everyone knows that alcohol comes with a danger. So if you sort of equate alcohol to being ammunition, and well, we don't want this ammunition, we don't want this gunpowder to go off. So how do you prevent that? Well, keep it separate from the gun. And in this case, the gun almost invariably always is the vehicle. And everybody is very familiar with not letting someone get behind the wheel of a vehicle. You have this expression, friends don't let friends drive drunk, but apparently bartenders do. And in Marina's particular case, it's even worse. It's the ammunition, it's the gun, and the person in charge of the gun range got in the car with them. That in this case being a bartender. You have a bartender who has responsibility to sort of comply, not sort of, they have to comply with these dram shop rules, not serving somebody visibly intoxicated. When they do, it is the equivalent of them handing their patron the gun on the way out the door after they've already served them all the ammunition. And that ammunition, you can't take that ammunition away either. It's not going to sort of dissipate. You can't pull the ammunition away from the guy when he walks out the door. He's armed to the teeth. So the only thing you can do is don't give him a mechanism for discharging that ammunition, that being a car. Bars have that responsibility to ensure that doesn't happen. And in this case, they failed miserably, and it happens over and over and over again. And I think in this climate, when we talk about corporate compliance all of the time, and we hear a lot about sexual harassment cases and employment discrimination, and companies are very attuned to this, to staying in line and up to date with whatever their responsibilities are, bars seem to be dragging far behind. Yet any bar or restaurant owner will tell you that's the biggest profit margin is the alcohol.